Have you ever wondered how one person can actually make a difference in solving global problems like poverty, climate change, or inequality? The truth is, you don't need to be a world leader or billionaire to help create change. Every action, no matter how small, adds up. In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can take meaningful action for the global goals right where you are. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Global Goals, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. The global goals, also known as the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, are 17 interconnected objectives that aim to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure prosperity for all by 2030. While the goals may sound big, they start with small local actions. Here's how you can become part of this global movement, step by step. Step number 1, learn about the 17 global goals. The first step is awareness. You can't take action on what you don't understand. Spend some time learning what each of the 17 goals stands for, from ending hunger and achieving gender equality to ensuring clean water and promoting decent work. Visit the UN's official Global Goals website or watch short educational videos to familiarize yourself with the mission behind each goal. For example, if Goal 13, climate action, resonates with you, that's a great place to start. Understanding the goals gives your actions purpose and direction. Step number 2, identify the goal that speaks to you most. You don't have to tackle all 17 goals at once. Focus on one or two that align with your passions or everyday life. Maybe you care deeply about education, Goal 4, or reducing waste, Goal 12. When you pick a cause that matters to you, it's easier to stay motivated. For instance, if you're passionate about wildlife, your focus might be on Goal 15, Life on Land, where you can support reforestation or local conservation projects. Start small, but start where your heart is. Step number 3, take action locally. Global change begins at the local level. Look for opportunities to contribute in your community. If you're focusing on clean water, Goal 6, organize a local river cleanup or advocate for reducing plastic waste. If your goal is quality education, Goal 4, you might volunteer to tutor kids or donate books to a school library. Local action has ripple effects. It improves your surroundings and inspires others to join you. Remember, every major movement began with one person taking initiative. Step number 4, make sustainable choices every day. You don't always need grand gestures. Your daily choices matter. Simple habits like reducing food waste, using reusable bags, saving energy, or supporting ethical brands all contribute to multiple global goals at once. For example, choosing public transportation over driving reduces carbon emissions, Goal 13, and supports sustainable cities, Goal 11. When your daily routine aligns with these principles, you live the goals instead of just talking about them. Step number 5, use your voice and platform. Awareness spreads through communication. Talk about the global goals with your friends, family, or followers. Share what you're learning on social media, write a blog post, or host a small discussion group. You don't have to be an influencer to influence. Your circle of friends and co-workers is your platform. For example, if you share a post about clean oceans and inspire even one person to stop using single-use plastics, you've made a measurable impact. Change grows exponentially through conversation. Step number 6, collaborate and join local initiatives. You'll make a bigger impact when you work with others. Many organizations and community groups already support global goals through volunteering, events, or sustainability projects. Search online or in your city for local nonprofits or clubs focused on issues like hunger relief, equality, or environmental protection. For instance, joining a community garden supports both Goal 2, Zero Hunger, and Goal 15, Life on Land. Collaboration not only amplifies your results, but also connects you with like-minded changemakers. Step number 7, track your progress and celebrate wins. Tracking your efforts keeps you motivated and accountable. You can journal your impact, log volunteer hours, or measure how much waste you've reduced or energy you've saved. Even the smallest improvement counts. For example, if your household cuts energy use by 10%, that's a direct contribution to sustainable energy. Goal 7. Celebrate these wins. They remind you that progress is happening and inspire others to follow your lead. Let's put this into practice. Morning. Use a reusable mug instead of disposable cups. Goal 12. Responsible consumption. Afternoon. Walk or cycle to work instead of driving. Goal 13. Climate action. Evening. Donate a few dollars to a trusted charity working on clean water access. Goal 6. Clean water and sanitation. Before bed, share an educational post about one global goal you care about. Goal 17. Partnerships for the goals. One day, 4 small actions, but collectively, they contribute to a better world. HowExpert Tip. Combine goals for greater impact. Here's a little-known insight. Most of the global goals overlap. For example, reducing food waste helps end hunger. Goal 2. Protects natural resources. Goal 15. And combats climate change. Goal 13. By focusing on one meaningful action that touches multiple goals, you multiply your impact without adding extra effort. When you follow these steps, the global goals become more than distant objectives. They become part of your daily life. You'll not only make a positive difference in your community, but also join millions of people worldwide working toward a better future for all. Your challenge. Choose one global goal that resonates most with you. This week, take 3 simple actions that support it, no matter how small. Post about your journey to encourage others to join in. Remember, progress happens when ordinary people take extraordinary initiative. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Global Goals, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.